is that? What is that?
Rat.
Let me see. So what are you going to use that for? What are you going to do with that?
200,000.
Sorry?
200,000.
200,000. You mean for this? But this is a parasite. It's a rodent. Huh? So what can I use this for? Sorry? No, what I'm saying is, what am I going to use this for?
Firewood. Fire.
Sorry?
Fire.
Yes.
Used to fire.
And then what?
I go cut. You finish your Kali firewood is something like a silver.
Yeah.
Stove.
You are just repeating after him. Instead of explaining something, you are just, anything he says you are repeating. I don't understand what you are saying. So, excuse me. Hello? Ratman. So you have any idea, what did you use in trapping it? I'm asking him that how did they trap it? How did they trap the rat?
150.
I am asking how this rodent was trapped. What I am saying is that how was the rodent trapped? I want to know the process before. I am asking how the rodent was trapped. That's why I want to know the process of capture. What is he saying?
Daddy until.
So you
no 150. Let's come back. I make a sister with him on what you've been chill. Someone costume.
Okay. Well, maybe the next time I pass by, try and maybe attend adult literacy and then. Okay. You need adult literacy because you are just losing money. You are losing money now. You are losing money. I was trying to ask him to tell me how it was trapped, the process of trapping the rodent, that he couldn't tell me because I just cannot buy anything just like that. How was he captured? What I'm saying is, how was he captured? What was the process of capturing it?
I say,
I do for you, and then you go.
Yeah, but I want to know the process of capture.
Okay. Also, to me,
Wow. Oh my goodness. You see? Oh my God, let me laugh a little bit. See this whole thing? The people who are known to understand a little bit of English were also saying something completely different. This indicates that education is so important. People need to learn simple things like reading and writing. It's so important, because if you get people to interpret everything and they lie about it, then you should know exactly what you are putting yourself through. Education is key. Education is really important.